All right, section 4.2. This is where we're going to actually post from a general journal to a general ledger. This is on page 96 in your book. And what it's showing you is a general journal and how you're going to take that first entry cash and post it to the general ledger account cash. Okay, you're going to record the account number. You're going to record the date. You're going to record the debit. And then you have a balance column that is debit or credit. Okay, and cash is an asset account, so it's going to have a normal balance account. So we have debited $5,000, so then we will have a balance of $5,000, and that occurred on August the 1st. And we posted that in G1, which is General Journal page 1. And that account number 110, we take that and put it back on a General Journal in the orange box where it says 110 to show that we've actually posted it. Okay, you see the steps in the chapter. I think the easiest way is let's just go ahead and get started on the work together. You have a completed general journal right here. And this is for Leonard, I can't ever say these names, Witkowski, that owns a service business, and he has the following accounts. Okay, so you see the asset accounts, you see the liability accounts, owner's equity accounts, and the revenue and expenses. And it says to post all the entries in the general journal. Okay, this is March 1st. Notice that this is General Journal. It's page 1. Okay, we're using the General Journal, page 1. So you start here March the 1st. So you're going to go to cash. So right here you're going to choose cash. Okay, so this was March the 1st. And the posting, I'm not sure why I can't get that too. Okay, posting reference, like I said, General Journal page 1, so that's going to be G1. And this is going to be a debit of $5,000. So now you have, this is where you keep track of the balance. So it's $5,000. I posted this in account 110, so I go up here and I post it in 110. So now I'm going to go to Leonard Witkowski Capital. All right, so I'm going to close that. And I'm going to choose Leonard Witkowski Capital, March the 1st. General Journal, page 1. This is a credit of $5,000. So I now have a credit balance of $5,000. I posted that into 310. So I record 310. Prepaid insurance. So I go and find prepaid insurance. March 3rd. Posting reference General Journal, page 1. That's a debit of $660. Okay, so prepaid insurance asset account normal balance is $660. I have to show that I posted that into 140. Okay, cash. I go to cash, and let's see, this is going to be on March the 3rd, General Journal, page 1. This time it is a credit of $660. Now I still have a balance. I have $5,000, so 5,000 minus 660, and I don't have a calculator quite handy, but 5,000 minus 660. So now my balance is $43.40. Show that you posted that to 110. Okay, and then close this one. Supplies. And that is on March 4th. General Journal, page 1. And $78. And I now have a debit balance of $78. Show you posted that to 130. Accounts payable, Joshua Supplies. Okay, March 4th. General Journal, page 1. That's a credit of $78. So you have a credit balance of $78. Remember your balances, like we learned, I think, in Chapter 2, Chapter 3. This is a liability. So liabilities have a normal credit balance. Show you posted it to 210. That way, if you have a fire drill, if you walk away, whatever, you know that you have posted these items so far. So as you enter these into the general ledger accounts, make sure you record that you've posted it. So if we take a break, come back, I'll know that I have to post this entry. Cash. Okay, this one's on the 8th. General Journal, page 1. This is $675. Okay, so a debit increases. So I'm going to take the $43.40 plus $675. I now have $50.15. Posted that to 110. Okay, and sales. March the 8th. General Journal, page 1. Sales is a credit of $675. Credit balance $675. Show you posted it to 410. Accounts receivable, Danielle. March the 9th. General Journal, page 1. That is a debit of $163. New debit balance of $163. Posted it to 120. Sales. 410. This is on March the 9th. General Journal, page 1. This is a credit of $163. So $675 plus $163. I'm a little slow, but $675 plus $163. $838. Show you posted that to 410. Rent expense. $510. March the 12th. General Journal, page 1. It's $375. New debit balance of $375. You posted that to 510. Cash. 110. Okay, so that's on the 12th. General Journal, page 1. That is a credit of $375. So $50.15. $50.15 minus $375. $46.40. Okay, posted that to 110. Accounts payable, Joshua Supplies. On the 15th, General Journal 1, that is going to be a debit because they're paying, which that means they paid $50. They only owe $28 now. Okay, so that leaves a balance of $28. Posted that to 210. Okay, cash. On the 15th, General Journal 1, that's a credit of $50. So $46.40 minus the 50, $45.90 is our new balance, and we posted that to 110. Alright, cash. Oh, I could have just left that up. Cash on the 16th, General Journal 1. This time it is a debit because Danielle is paying us. So $100. So we are at $46.90. Posted that to 110. And here's Danielle on the 16th. General Journal 1, which is a credit of, what do we say, 100. So that leaves her a balance of $63. Okay, and posted that to 120. Okay, the last one, Leonard Witowski drawing, March 25th, General Journal 1. It is a debit of 1,000, debit balance of 1,000, posted that to 320. Cash, on the 25th, General Journal 1, credit of 1,000. So that brings this down to 45, nope, let's see, yes, 45.90. I have to make sure I know which account I'm on. 45.90, because we're reducing, we paid cash, so we're reducing our balance, so we have 45.90. Okay, right here, I only did like $100. That should be 1,000. Sorry about that. So your balance should be 36.90. Okay. I was looking over here somewhere. Okay, so 36.90 is what you should end up in cash. Okay, I hope that helps with posting. And I guess that's all.